So we had an issue the other day where one of our customers had some stickers without any slits on the back. So in order to Poke Yoke this defect that we have, what I want to do is I want to go over some of these stickers and how we're actually going to print them from now on. So this is how we want them. We want them to be 24 up with the large slits. That way, not only are we adding value to the customer, because they don't have to peel so many backers. On this 10 slit one, we have 1 backer, 2 backers, 3 backers, 4 backers for just one little sticker. And on this large slit one, they only have 1 backer that they have to peel. So 1 on this side, 1 on that side. It's the same for all of them. I think this ended up happening because we wanted to save a little bit of paper. So the sticker stock is kind of expensive. In an effort to try to get 25 stickers on one sheet instead of 24, we ended up doing it this way. But when you see on the large slits, you can see that this top one doesn't have any slits, and same with this bottom one, there's no slits on it, which is kind of what leads to stickers like this. So it's Poke Yoke in the Fiery. I made a brand new template, so it's called 3x2 front and back 24 up large slit stickers. So whenever we get an order like this in the future, especially since they're a regular customer or just any customer who wants a 3x2 sticker, we have it as a setup. We just click on it and then it's good to go.